At the World Artificial Intelligence Conference 2024, a new ultra-realistic emotionally simulating robot from the Reina series was introduced, named Kuihua. This robot has been developed to closely mimic human interactions and emotional intelligence. The Kuihua robot features an ultra-realistic design that closely resembles a human, making interactions more natural and intuitive. It is capable of simulating a wide range of human emotions, allowing for more meaningful and empathetic interactions with users. Additionally, Kuihua is equipped with advanced AI capabilities that enable it to understand and respond to complex social cues, enhancing its ability to engage with humans in various settings. The Chinese company EX Robots, known for producing ultra-realistic humanoid robots and frequently mentioned in our videos, showcased their most advanced humanoid robots in action at the robotics exhibition in Shanghai. Although the displayed robots currently serve only as a demonstration of their capabilities, the company is developing at an incredible pace, and these robots will soon be integrated into human society. At the Huawei Developer Conference 2024, Leju Robotics unveiled their advanced humanoid robot Quafu, which is equipped with Pangu Embodied Intelligence, a new AI model developed by Huawei. This robot stands approximately 1.75 meters tall and weighs around 70 kilograms. It is capable of performing a variety of tasks in both industrial and domestic environments. The robot is equipped with a navigation and spatial orientation system, allowing it to move freely in different conditions, avoid obstacles, and adjust its route in real time. Thanks to the Pangu model, the robot demonstrates exceptional adaptability to different scenarios and tasks. It can lift objects weighing up to 20 kilograms, making it useful in various work processes. The Leju robot is equipped with advanced sensors and actuators, enabling precise manipulation of objects and safe interaction with humans. Its integration into industrial processes can enhance efficiency and safety, while in domestic settings it can serve as an assistant, improving the quality of life for users. A life-size humanoid robot known as Qinglong made its debut at the 2024 World AI Conference in East China's Shanghai municipality on Thursday, impressing attendees with its wide range of motion and human-like capabilities. Standing at 1.82 meters tall and weighing 80 kilograms, the humanoid robot is designed to walk, run, jump, and withstand impacts just like a human. It features a highly bionic torso and anthropomorphic motion control, supporting multimodal mobility, perception, interaction, and manipulation. It can easily grasp and place various objects with a highly bionic body structure and AI-driven system. The robot was developed by the national and local co-built Humanoid Robotics Innovation Center in Shanghai's Pudong New area, with the facility serving as a top-level research and development platform, as well as a robotics training ground, where Qinglong learns to complete various activities. The Chinese company Supcon has developed an advanced humanoid robot called Navigator Alpha. This robot stands 1.5 meters tall and weighs 50 kilograms. It is equipped with lightweight mechanical arms and a highly precise hand featuring 15 finger joints and 6 active degrees of freedom. This design enables the robot to perform precise manipulations, applying force up to 10 newtons with its fingertips. The joints can move at speeds up to 150 degrees per second, making its movements accurate and quick. Navigator Alpha integrates advanced artificial intelligence technologies, enhancing its capabilities for industrial applications. The robot has been deployed in various field projects, demonstrating its versatility and efficiency in tasks such as processing, assembly, and maintenance. The maximum weight the robot can lift is 10 kilograms, making it useful for various tasks on production lines and in warehouses. The Galbot G1 is an advanced humanoid robot developed by Galbot Robotics Company, designed to showcase cutting-edge robotics technology and versatile functionality. Standing approximately 1.7 meters tall and weighing around 60 kilograms, The Galbot G1 features a sleek human-like design made from lightweight and durable materials, ensuring both robustness and agility. The robot's dexterous hands with multiple degrees of freedom enable precise and versatile manipulation of objects, essential for tasks requiring fine motor skills, such as picking up small items or using tools. The sensory system includes high-resolution cameras for detailed visual perception, sensitive microphones for sound detection and voice recognition, and tactile sensors embedded in its skin-like surface for a sense of touch, facilitating safe and effective interactions with humans. Powered by a robust AI system, the Galbot G1 utilizes machine learning to improve its performance over time, natural language processing to understand and generate human language, and behavioral programming to perform tasks autonomously or assist humans. The Chinese company Fourier Intelligence has showcased the progress of their latest humanoid robot GR1, which is already in mass production. The robot has learned to skillfully manipulate objects, walk stably, and even play the drums proficiently. Standing 165 centimeters tall and weighing 55 kilograms, the robot has 40 degrees of freedom distributed throughout its body. The joint module installed on the hip can generate a peak torque of 300 Newton-meters, enabling it to move at a speed of 5 kilometers per hour and carry loads weighing up to 50 kilograms. GR1 is equipped with depth cameras in its head and torso, along with visual algorithms for perceiving its immediate surroundings. This allows the robot to quickly recognize objects and people, as well as navigate around obstacles and perform tasks based on visual data. Fourier has stated that they expect to sell the GR1 for applications such as research and education, entertainment and exhibitions, healthcare and rehabilitation, security inspections, and more. Aeolus Robotics has showcased the development of its multifunctional robot named AO. The device is positioned as a delivery robot, disinfectant, security guard, and companion, as well as a caregiver for the elderly. AO can perform different tasks with its two hands. One hand can be equipped with an ultraviolet lamp, while the other can be fitted with a gripper for grasping objects and performing simple manipulations, such as pressing buttons. The robot's artificial intelligence and array of sensors allow it to detect if a patient has fallen, determine if they need medical assistance, and raise an alarm if something goes wrong. The robot is equipped with a camera that streams video and audio to the staff. The camera records in 360 degrees and has night vision mode. These capabilities also make it suitable for security tasks, such as monitoring rooms, checking doors and windows, and inspecting unattended bags. Write in the comments which of the robots shown in this video did you like the most. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a like. See you next time.